Hi there, and welcome to Projects Distilled YouTube page, where we talk about all things project management. I am very glad that you're here. Today we are continuing our discussion around Notion. Notion is a personal productivity tool. It's an all-in-one space for doing just about anything you want in your personal life as well as business. It's got some fantastic features for businesses. In prior videos, we've talked about how it is the first tool to integrate ChatGPT into it. I think that that's fantastic. We also did a video on using Notion for project and program management. It has got some great capabilities there. Today, we're just going to talk about Notion as a personal productivity tool. We're going to show you the Mac interface because that's what I'm using to create these videos, rather than just the web interface, and look at the differences there, which are actually pretty minor. We're going to look at the integrations that Notion has built in, the ability to import data from other places, building personal places, publishing Notion pages to the internet instantly so you can share information all the way out. It's all here. Check it out. We're going to take a quick look at all of these. So we're going to install the Mac interface and take a look at what that does for us. So we just click on Get the app, download for Mac. I have the Intel processor. So here's what the native Mac Notion app looks like. Looks very much like the web interface. It has the very same features in here. It's got the very same items across the board. So it actually, good job Notion on the web interface, because the look and feel is very, very similar. So we're going to create a personal space. The idea is that if we're going to use this as a productivity tool, I want to create a personal space for myself. So here's the create a new team space, Brad's space for my personal productivity. I don't want everyone to see it. Create team space. So I'm going to skip sharing it with others. So look, I've got my own space now, so I can keep my workspace completely separate from my own space. That's really handy so that we don't mix our work and personal lives together. So one of the great things about Notion is that you can actually publish a wiki page to the internet. So if you create a page that you actually want to share with the world, there's the ability to publish it. So we're going to create a new page. So this is going to be Brad's public page. I just clicked down here, so we've got the AI. So let's try that out here. Create origin story for Super Program Manager. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Brad who was tasked with leading a high priority project. There we go. That's outstanding. So this is the page that I want to be public. So let's go ahead and publish that out there to the world. So I can change this picture. We're going to go ahead and just put the sunglasses emoji on there. And to share this page, now if we want to share it publicly, publish and share links with anyone. Okay, so now I copied this web link. Let's go back and go to our browser. Look at that. It is out there already being seen by everyone. Now, I expect that there's a way to improve the domains, but for now, that's pretty cool if you just need to get some information out there to be shared with others. Since we don't want to actually share this for the world because there's no value in that content, we're going to click unshare, and that is now gone. What a cool little feature that is. Now I'm going to show you one of the other powerful features of Notion, and that is the ability to import from different sources. So if you're an Asana user, Evernote, Trello, Confluent, look at all of these different things that you can import data from. So if you use any of those and you want to get it into Notion, those features are already built in. If it comes down to it, you could use text or CBS files and also bring it in. But it is great. I also wanted to show you this. This is in the Notion documentation, but it has a lot of integrations already ready to go. And if you look at some of these, so you've got the Google, you've got Maps, you've got files, you've got PDFs, you've got YouTube, but it's got a lot of things that you can do. It can even integrate with Slack. So for anyone who uses Slack, that's huge. It's got its own API, so it's extendable. So it's very flexible that way. So going back to the native Mac app. So let's take a look at this. So right now, because this is a brand new team space, it's Friday, let's go ahead and add a new meeting, meet with loan officer for some huge new company I'm going to start. Attendees, so I'm the only one in here, but you could add others if there were, if you had others in your team space. I want to remind on the day of event, there we go. So we've got a new event created. That's very handy, just like any other calendaring tool really, but you have all your data in one space. So that makes it easier. And all I have to do is click off of that box and there it is. So let's look at tasks. So in Brad's space, it actually brought over all of the tasks from the other projects that I've been playing around with. I can get rid of those, but let me show you how easy it is to set up a task. Since this is personal, go grocery shopping, assigned to me, not started. Actually, it's in progress because we are going to add a comment. Here's our list. We need fruits, vegetables. Let's get some whole grains. We're eating healthy. There we go. That's our list. And what's nice is if you go back up here, there's a Get iOS or mobile app. So if you've got an Android or an Apple device, you've got an app right there that you can put on your phone. You can see it showing you today, and it's got all of the things, and you can click them off. I'm not going to show you the mobile tool, but I have downloaded it. It's pretty cool. So this is totally integrated. You can have your data with you wherever you go, no matter the platform that you're on. So Notion has a lot going for it. It can do so much. It's amazing what you can put into a single tool these days. I love the way that the people at Notion are thinking about things. I love the ease of use with Notion. If you go from the web interface to the computer interface, it's the same, very easy to maneuver. There's a mobile app so you can have your data with you at all times, and not just your data, but you can actually do things, updates, all of those things. Very powerful. There are a few things that I ran into in preparing today's video where it tried to get me to pay up for an additional paid version. I'm just using the free version right now. I get it. They need to make money, but just the free version is really rich with features. If you're using it as an individual, there's a lot that you can do with it. So Notion packs a lot into it. I'm a fan. I think that they're doing good things over there. I'm going to keep an eye on them, but we're also in coming videos going to look at other tools that are out there to help us with our project and program management, as well as our personal productivity needs. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if it was beneficial to you, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.